Hello everyone. What if I was tutoring Java and I had to tell about some mathematical operations? So in Java we have all the basic mathematical operations we can perform in our code. First of all, it's addition and subtraction, so it's just basic mathematical operations, so we can add something or we can subtract something. After addition and subtraction we go to multiplication. It's also not a special operation in Java, but when we use division we can have different options. So in case of integers we just cut off decimals, but in case of double or float, we can have a more accurate results. Another operation is modulus, so we just have it helps us to find reminders, so it helps during some operations or when we have to count some special things. And also we have built-in math class in Java, which has a lot of operations like sqrt, pow, power, so we can use it for really advanced calculations. Also in some classes like big, we also have their own operations, mathematical operations, and we can use it also in our daily code when we have some calculations, and it can help us to perform something. We need to count something, or the easiest case to implement Java mathematical operations is just to implement a basic calculator with some basic options, so and you can play around with it. So it was a brief introduction about mathematical operations. In the description I will post some tasks when you can try it and makes your hands dirty, and also you will find the link to my Notion page where I collect all the information with additional links to good documentation and some useful resources. Stay tuned. In future videos we'll talk about also some Java blocks which makes this language useful, still modern. Subscribe, leave your comments, likes are also appreciated, and see you next video. Ciao.